Rodini Park, in the very heart of Rhodes, is not just a park. It is a living monument, considered by many to be the oldest landscaped park in the world. A place where nature, history, and culture have walked hand in hand for more than 2,000 years. In Hellenistic times, this lush valley was already famous for its beauty. Tradition says that the renowned School of Rhetoric stood nearby. It was here that great minds, among them Julius Caesar, Brutus, and Cicero, once studied the art of words and persuasion. Imagine the very air of Rodini echoing with the voices of those who would go on to shape the destiny of nations. When the Romans came, they too recognized Rodini as a place of peace and leisure. They built aqueducts, bridges, and pathways that guided visitors along the cool streams. Centuries later, under the Byzantines, the park remained a retreat for rest, reflection, and connection with nature. During the era of the Knights of St. John, Rodini continued to flourish. It became a sanctuary of shade and silence, where noblemen and travellers alike could breathe in the timeless spirit of Rhodes. Through all these centuries, Rodini was more than history. It was, and still is, a sanctuary of life. Tall cypress and plane trees, rare plants and colourful flowers create an oasis of green. Streams flowed gently through the valley, and peacocks have roamed freely here for generations, becoming the living symbols of the park. Walking through Rodini feels like stepping into another world, a world where nature whispers and time seems to pause. And yet, today this paradise suffers. The waters are left untended, the ancient paths are broken, and the beauty that once drew the admiration of the world now struggles against neglect. What was once a jewel of Rhodes a place of pride, is fading before our eyes. We, the people of Rhodes, feel this deeply. Rodini is not only a park, it is part of our identity, our heritage, our soul. To watch it decline is to feel our own story being forgotten. We are hurt, we are saddened, because this place is not simply land and trees. It is memory, history, and hope. And so we must ask ourselves, will we allow Rodini to disappear into silence? Or will we honor the gift that history has entrusted to us? If we act together, Rodini can live again. It can be restored as the paradise it was always meant to be. A place where the people of Rhodes and visitors from all over the world can walk among history, breathe with nature, and feel the soul of this island. Rodini deserves our care. Rodini deserves our respect. Rodini deserves to live.